So guys, first of all, take a look at this channel called AI Dream Theater. Just look at the views on every video of this channel. Almost every video is getting around 300,000, 200,000, 100,000, and even 90,000 views. And this channel creates videos completely using AI. Basically, these are AI drama style videos made entirely with AI. From scripting to the final render, everything is done using AI. So today, I'm going to break down this channel's workflow and show you how you can create these kinds of videos completely with AI without implementing anything manually yourself. That's exactly what I'll be showing you today. So stay till the end of the video because we're going to start completely from scratch, from the video idea all the way to the final render using AI for everything. So let's begin. First of all, to create videos like this, we need one main thing, which is an idea. Now, to find ideas, we don't need to use our brain too much. We'll use AI instead. Simply go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. You need to act like a YouTube expert with 5 years of experience. I'll give you all the video titles from my competitors' channels. Some titles may contain numbers, so ignore those. Based on those titles, give me 5 unique and attractive video ideas that can get good views and keep the audience engaged. Then go to your competitor's channel, like this AI Drama Theater channel, and copy all of their video titles. After that, come back to ChatGPT and paste them here. As soon as you press enter, ChatGPT will generate 5 unique ideas for you. And out of those, I personally liked the first one the most, which was the man they fired was the owner's daughter. So I'll select that one and copy it. After copying it, I'll simply paste it again in the chat box and write, based on this title, give me a complete detailed script. Then I'll press enter again. Now ChatGPT will generate a script, but the problem is that it usually includes timestamps and bullet points, which we don't want. We need a proper word-to-word script. So I'll type again, remove the timestamps and points. Then it will give me a clean word-to-word script that I can directly use. Now you simply have to copy the entire script and convert it into a PDF file. After that, our next step starts, which is creating the episode. For that, we'll come to Drama Studio. This is actually a really good tool that works like a complete studio. You can control everything from home and create an entire series according to your own style. Here, you'll get an interface like this. First, you need to sign up, and after that, you'll see an option called Upload Script. Click on the Upload Script option and upload the PDF file of your script. And at the top, you'll see a chat box where it says something like, upload a script, novel, or type your story idea. There, you need to paste the story idea that we generated using ChatGPT. Now, when you press enter, it still won't start working immediately because we need to fill in a few more settings. First, select the style of your episode. Then, below that, there's an episode mode option where you can choose single or multi. I'll keep the ratio at 16:9 because I'm making a long-form YouTube video, and I'll keep the video language as English. Then, in the chat box below, we need to provide the script outline. Here, you can either create the outline yourself or generate it with AI. So I'll paste the outline here and press enter. Then it will ask us a few questions. For example, first, it asked whether we want everything exactly according to the script or whether we want AI to implement some creative changes as well. Here, I'll select the option to keep everything according to the script. Then it will ask another question and I'll answer that too. After that, it will start generating everything automatically. Here, you'll start seeing previews of the episodes. It may say episode undefined at first because the episodes are still being generated. Once they're ready, you can click on Enter Video Production, and then it will start generating the episode angles, camera shots, scenes, and everything else automatically. And finally, our complete episode will be ready.
Staff entrance around the back.
Thank you.
Another one of those.
Name? Emily Carter. I start today. Fill this out. And please don't touch anything.
New maid. Looks like she came off a bus. No kidding.
Then we can simply download it and upload it to YouTube. So honestly, this is a really powerful tool. With its help, you can manage everything in one place. Basically, you can turn this tool into your own complete studio and create an entire series from home exactly the way you want. So I definitely recommend trying this tool at least once. And yeah, I'll see you in another interesting video like this one. Until then, bye and take care.